Hello and welcome back to another After Effects video. So we're going to do another sort of zooming animation with squares. So these are the settings, and we're going to do a new solid. It's going to be a mid-orange here. And remember that the mid-orange we said was 255 10715. So that is our mid-orange. And then we're going to do a scale keyframe. We're going to start at 0. And then by 10 frames though, we're going to be at 100%. All right. All right, we're going to do a Control D twice to change that, and then we're going to do Control Shift Y. This is going to be the light orange one. So the light orange has got a slightly different color, which is 255 139 52. So there's our light orange. And then we're also going to have a dark orange here. Control Shift Y. And this was going to be 232 82.2, and that is a dark orange. All right. So there's our three. Now we need to create the animation, we're going to have to put them at slightly different input times sort of thing. So we're going to go to 3 here, and we're going to say this is where this layer is going to start. We're going to go to 6 here, and we're going to say this is where this layer is going to start. Okay, then we're going to select each of those layers. We're going to move the time ahead to the next spot, which will be obviously at 9 frames here, and do Control-Alt-V. And now we can see the sort of, so now we can see the animation coming through like that. All right, so I've put all the scale keyframes up here. So let's take a look at what comes next. So obviously they're all going in, but we need the reverse to happen now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to 105, and we're going to put another scale keyframe in here of 100%, and then we're going to go to 115, and this one can be 0. So you can sort of see what's happening here, right? It goes like that, and now we're going to go back inwards. So what I'll do is I'll take these 2 keyframes, I'll copy them, and so this one started at 105. So again, we need to sort of go through the process, right? So this one is going to be at this. So this one, right, will be at 108, and then we go to move to 111. And we move to 111. So for number 3, that will go in there. We move to 114. So for number 4, that will go in there. We move to 117. So for number 5, it goes in there. And finally, we move to 120. And so for number 6, that will go in there. So now you can take a look, see what happens. So that gives you essentially an animation that can easily loop. We could just end it there, right? So thanks for watching.